Hey guys, Megan from Amelia James by Megan. I am back to talk to you today about some exciting new announcements that Amelia James made just this afternoon. If you have been thinking about starting your own in-home or online boutique and you've just kind of been on the fence about it, now is the time. Let me tell you why. Today, Amelia James announced that for the next 4 weeks, so between now and March 31st, they are offering a $500 startup kit. Before now, kits, and still available, kits range, kit A is $1,000, kit B is $2, and kit 3 is $3. And these amounts offered you lower startup costs. Your kit price decided how much was in each kit. I did the $1,000 kit. I probably got about 70 pieces of clothing along with leggings. So this new kit that we are offering for the next 4 weeks allows women the opportunity, or men if you so choose, allows everybody the opportunity to start at a lower cost. So for $500, you can start your own online or in-home boutique / both, whichever one you want to do. One thing I love about this is a couple things I love. One, you will be getting styles that are current and that are available now and that are seasonal. So you're not going to get a box full of stuff that's all sweaters and warm weather gear. Granted, you might get a couple sweaters because in South Carolina it's 70 degrees right now, but for those of you in cooler states, that might be right up your alley. But you are guaranteed to get styles that are current, that we as reps are currently shopping. Another thing I love about this is it gives you the opportunity to start small, but as soon as you sign up and fill out all your paperwork and do all the official things, you are able to go in and participate in the next launch. So the kits are the one thing that you don't get to choose in terms of what is in it, so that is definitely a surprise. But then after that, you have the opportunity to go in and purchase in the next launch or purchase off the restock page, and you can decide from there what styles you want to carry, what colors, what prints, and how many of everything that you want to include in your boutique. So this gives you the opportunity to start small. Obviously, the boutique idea is to turn clothes over more frequently, so you get maybe a size run of a style and you sell it out, and then the next time you pick a different style versus having 10 smalls of one style, 10 mediums, 10. This is faster turnover. This allows you to have smaller inventory. Thankfully now what you see here plus a closet of maybe the same amount is all I have in my inventory. So it does allow you to turn things over more quickly. It allows you more control over your inventory in terms of the styles and the sizes that you are carrying. So those are some of my favorite things. Some other things that make joining right now super amazing time to join besides the kit is today they did announce that our comp plan was finished and it's all set up, and it will go live on April 1st. So if you are looking to be a leader and to help other women build their own in-home boutique situations, this is a great opportunity as well. So that will go live on April 1st, and everyone that is participating will obviously benefit from that. And then also April 1st is our replicated website and our point of sales system, which from what I'm hearing is super state of the art. It should be amazing. It will cut down on inventory pictures. It will make invoicing easier. It will make the playing field among all the reps more level as well. And obviously this will also be better at keeping track of sales in order to mesh with the comp plan. So less photographs, online shopping, easier for your customers. You don't have to load, you don't have to drag all your lights out, take all your flat lays, load them onto whatever site you're using. This way you do an order, your order comes in, you go into your system, you say, I received all the things that I ordered, They upload into your system with photos that Amelia James is using, and then they're all ready to shop. So you don't have to worry about taking pictures and labeling and sizing and pricing and how much is this, I forgot how much that is, what size is this picture, I didn't label it well, that kind of thing. This cuts out on all of that extra time for you so that you can devote more time to your business. So super exciting things happening in the next 4 weeks between the $500 kit, the comp plan, and the POS system that is coming out that I am super excited about. If you are interested in finding out more information about Amelia James as a company, about joining, and everything that is happening, I will post a link in the description for that will direct you towards my online VIP group, as well as my team's rep information group. So if you want to join that, hang out, you can see what it's all about. There is no pressure once you're in there to join. We are just there to give you information and keep everybody up to date on what is happening. So super exciting things happening. I hope that if you're watching this, you are considering, and that these things are exciting for you as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, shoot me an email, or come on over to our page, and we'll see you there. Thanks. Bye, guys.